The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 4. The Union Judiciary. Article 138. Enlargement of the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. 1. The Supreme Court shall have such further jurisdiction and powers, with respect to any of the matters, in the Union list, as Parliament may by law confer. 2. The Supreme Court shall have such further jurisdiction and powers, with respect to any matter, as the Government of India, and the Government of any state, may by special agreement confer, if Parliament by law, provides for the exercise of such jurisdiction and powers by the Supreme Court.